I'm here with the Florida Aquamaids, and we're going on our very first adventure. And we're on the Living Waters pontoon cruises with Rue Denton. And it's exciting because we're right here in Lake Summit, and we're gonna go through the chain of lakes, which there's 24 chain of lakes right here that are all connected. But in Central Florida, there are over 560 lakes. So whether you come to Winter Haven for the chain or you experience other lakes in Central Florida, you're gonna have a great time.
Welcome to the Living Water Pontoon Boat Cruises. We're cruising with the lovely Aquamaids today, and we're cruising into Pirate Cove. This is where they have the ski show. They've had a ski show here every day since 1940. Can you believe that? We offer the sunrise cruise, which all the birds are nesting and feeding early in the mornings. And you've got your beautiful lily pads over here with the little yellow lotus flower on it. That's your whole ecosystem right here, you know? You have your worms and crickets and minnows and shiners and flies and snakes and alligators and birds, and they all live in the ecosystem right there, and it's just so beautiful. But these are world famous islands. You know, Johnny Weissmuller, he was the first Tarzan. He filmed back in here on these islands. And the Mike Douglas show, he filmed here. A couple of scenes from Gilligan's Island were filmed over here on this island right here. And there's a lot of rich history here on Lake Summit. You know, we're in Lake Summit right now, which is a real deep lake, good clean lake. A lot of these lakes, you know, they hit the aquifer, so they're real cool and clean, and good fishing, good swimming lakes. As you guys know, it does get hot out here in the summer, out on the Living Water on the chain. So not only am I a tour guide, a historical tour guide and boat cruise driver, but I'm also a great water boy. You ladies, would y'all like some water? Awesome. Here we go. You're welcome. My pleasure. If you guys look at that bridge, that's the original Highway 17. That was built around 1922. I used to ride my bike over that bridge when I was a kid in the 80s, and my grandmother lived in Eagle Lake. It's just a little two-lane road, highway. But that's part of the rich history. And one of our Aquamaids, Sherry, she's a world champion skier. And it's such an honor to have you aboard our boat today. Cheers to the Aquamaids. I'm passionate about the chain. I know the Aquamaids are passionate about the chain, and we love it out here. It's a wonderful resource, and you guys come see us.
Living Water Cruises provides several services that you may enjoy. One of them is to see the LEGOLAND ski show from the water. What a great way to see the ski show. Another thing is you can reserve a cruise for the sunrise or a sunset and see the beautiful skies right here on the chain. And thirdly, you can get a reservation made for you to enjoy a lunch or a dinner right here at Harborside, and you can see the beautiful lake and enjoy delicious food. And we're going to enjoy some appetizers at Harborside. We hope you've enjoyed this pontoon cruise with Living Water.